In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create queues and assign records to them in Salesforce. We'll dive into every step needed to streamline your workflow effectively. Let's get started by navigating to the home page within Salesforce. This is where we'll set the stage for our queue setup. First, once you're on your Salesforce homepage, look for the Quick Settings menu. It provides a convenient shortcut to various options you'll need to begin this process. After you've clicked on Quick Settings, you'll want to select the Open Advanced Setup option. This will take us right where we need to configure our queues. Next, in the search bar, type Queues. This search will streamline locating the precise section we're focusing on. Once you see the option for queues, click on it. After entering the Queues section, you'll want to click on New. Starting a new queue will allow us to assign specific records to designated groups within your Salesforce account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a label for your queue. This label will help you and your team members easily identify the queue's purpose at a glance. After entering the label, you'll also need to type in the queue name. The queue name is significant as it defines the queue precisely and needs to be unique. Moving forward, direct your attention to the Supported Objects section. Here, you select which objects in Salesforce can be included in your queue. Think of these objects as the building blocks for organizing your queues effectively. Choose the available objects within your Salesforce setup and click Add to include them in your queue. Continuing on, let's focus on queue members. This is where you decide who will be part of this queue. These members are the users or groups who will manage the records within the queue. You can add members by choosing from your available users and then clicking Add to finalize your selections. Once you've added the desired members, don't forget to save your progress. Click Save to ensure all your configurations are stored correctly. Now that we've discussed creating the queue, we're going to assign records using Lead Assignment Rules. In your Setup menu, type Lead Assignment Rules and click on Lead Assignment Rules when it appears. Choose a rule you would like to edit, then click on New within the Rule Entries tab. Here, specify the queue to which the records should be assigned. Select Queues from the options and click on the magnifying glass icon to search for the queue you just created. Once you find it, add it to your assignment rule. Finally, click Save to lock in all changes. You've now successfully created a queue and set up rules to assign records to it. This structured workflow will undoubtedly help manage and distribute workloads more efficiently within your Salesforce environment. That's it for today's walkthrough. Remember to revisit any section as needed while working, and thanks for joining us in optimizing your Salesforce experience.